Hey, welcome back. So I have this interesting product. It's Otter timber hard wax, available from Wood-Kare companies as well. So basically, this product is a new product, and then it's very natural, odorless, and made of oil base. Almost 80% made of oil base, which include the use of linseed oil,
tung oil, and palm oil,
palm oil as well. So we really appreciate if Mr. Lim can explain further on this product and also the upcoming series. I think this is the latest latest product from Otter under the Wood-Kare.
Okay, talk about this timber harvest. Because we had an existing one is a oil base, it's a solvent base. So solvent base normally they're using like thinner or using this called white spirit or turpentine. It's a very quite black smear. Compared with this one, it's almost raw, very raw auto. It's using this called linseed oil, the most important linseed oil and tung oil, and also our Malaysia palm oil. Yeah, it's a combination oil with a little bit of resin.
So, Mr. Lim, like for example, I mean that later we got audience. Later we're gonna have a demo on how to apply the wax as well. So, beside having this timber wax, Otter also specializes in this stone protective coating. For example, here, and also waterproofing products as well. So these are some of the series that Otter also produce. So, I think the most important for audience to understand and experience this is to just by trying it. Mr. Lim is ready with his team. We are going to do a demo on how these products are being applied. Okay, actual site installation or application.
Okay, this is the timber hard wax. So this timber hard wax can be used for interior, even for exterior also. It's using this linseed oil, tung oil, and also our palm oil in Malaysia, palm oil. Yeah, it's very friendly to use. No formaldehyde, non-toxic. Yeah, it's a very raw auto. What you do is just straight away. You can apply with straight away. It comes with a matte and gloss finishing. Just circular motion to bring out the enhance the surface, bring out the grain of the wood. This timber harvest dry about 4 to 6 hours. So after 4 hours or 6 hours, you can apply another one coat. Normally we need about 2 to 3 coats more than enough. So after that, just clean with a piece of cloth, just make clean slightly, white slightly for better fast drying.
Hi, I'm very sure that all of you have benefited from the live demo presented by Mr. Otter Lim. And I'm very sure just now it was very exciting, very fun. And Uncle Lim has shown you a lot of kung fu, on how to make your woodworking project even more fun and exciting. So I'm very appreciative. We're very happy in ATKC to welcome to have Mr. Lim here to do a live demo to all our audiences. And thank you very much, Mr. Lim.
So thank you, Mr. Ang, for opportunity to me to show how to stain wood stain.
Yeah, it's very exciting. According to Mr. Lim, wood stain industry in Malaysia is still very new. So I think a lot of DIY enthusiasts and also the woodworking people are looking for this similar product. So thank you very much again. And based on our custom, we will always present you our ATKC t-shirt.
Yes, thanks for Mr. Ang. We have it.
So we wish Mr. Lim good business ahead, and for Wood-Kare and Otter products, so good business, and happy selling. Okay. So thank you very much. Okay. Hey guys, bye. See you in the next video. Hey, this is called Gay. I hope that you all enjoy watching the video, the show just now. It was very impressive and very knowledgeable. And Uncle Lim just now personally shared with me some of the tips and advice. So he told me that for solvent-based wood protective coating, you will actually need to recoat it after 12 months. And for water-based product, after about 8 to 9 months, you need to recoat it, and it will last you almost 2 to 3 years. While for oil-based product, it actually will be almost the same as solvent-based. So this is something, a knowledge that we like to share with you. So remember, for timber product, recoating is very important to preserve the timber.